Hello, today we will guide you through how to add a back button in Qualtrics. If you want to give survey respondents the ability to return to a previous question, Qualtrics includes a simple back button setting you can turn on in the survey configuration. In this walkthrough, we'll open the survey editor, find the correct settings area, enable the option, and then preview the survey to confirm it works as expected. To begin, open your survey in the Qualtrics Edit Survey area. This is the main workspace where you build and manage your survey questions. Once you're there, take a moment to orient yourself on the page so it's easier to locate the settings you need. Next, look toward the left side navigation panel. In that menu, find the Survey option. This section contains the general configuration settings for the survey, including controls that affect how respondents move through the form. If you don't see it immediately, scan the left navigation carefully and make sure you're in the survey editing interface rather than preview mode. Once you've found it, click on the Survey option to open the survey settings. This will take you into the configuration area where several survey-level features can be adjusted. These settings apply to the overall survey experience, so this is the right place to control navigation behavior. Now locate the back button setting and turn it on. Enabling this option allows respondents to move backward in the survey while they are completing it. This can be especially useful if someone wants to review or change an earlier response before submitting. Keep in mind that navigation behavior can affect how respondents interact with your survey, so it's a good idea to make sure this aligns with the experience you want to provide. After turning the back button on, the final step is to click Preview to test it. Preview mode lets you experience the survey the way a respondent would, which is the best way to confirm the setting is active. Move forward through a question or two, then check whether the back button appears and functions properly. If the button is visible and lets you return to the previous page, then the setup is complete. Testing changes like this before distributing your survey is always a smart habit because it helps catch any issues early and ensures respondents have the experience you intended. That's it. You've successfully enabled the back button in Qualtrics and verified that it's working.